Hello everyone, welcome back to this channel, and today I wanted to show you the way how you can collaborate with your friend on your Instagram story. So first you have to do is just go out to your Instagram application and make sure that you are staying in the home section, and then you just need to open your Instagram story by go tap into this plus button. So you have an access into your Instagram camera. Next thing you need to do is just go at the picture that you want to have the collaborations with. You can do the picture or video, it's just all up to you. You just go tap it. And now you will have this type of video. Now if you want to open the collaborations, just go tap into this symbols, and then there have been options here. Go click the dimensions, and then you just need to add the ID of your friends, and then just need to go click done. And you can also place it in the specific area that you want, and you just need to go click add to your story. And now your friends that you tag or mention on the story will be able to repost the content. So that's for today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy it. Let's begin into other tutorial.